Okay, good afternoon, everyone. I'm also a researching and managing point-of-care real-time lab prototype. It integrates with IoT and blockchain for rapid disease analysis. So, as we know, we go through the COVID pandemic. So, the learn from pandemic to control disease, we did the we did the COVID test and confirmation phase as critical, and we believe it will be more efficient to control the disease if you have a real-time and point-of-care testing. It will help also of management and statistical analysis of infection. And the transparency of data is more essential. So this is the reason we propose our the system is integrate with IoT and blockchain. For quick summarize, we have three famous tests of COVID. We have PCR, quick test, and RAM. However, the PCR is a high cost and time consuming. Normally, they require a complicated system and perform only in the hospital and healthcare center. It's not suitable for point-of-care testing. And quick test is very simple to use. However, they have a quite low sensitivity. Among the three methods, the LAMP technique is so very high potential for real-time and point-of-care testing. So, for example, in the EU project I attend, we create a point-of-care system, and this point-of-care system we use to test COVID in hospital in Denmark, and we publish our result on the sensor and actuator journal. And not only for COVID test, the LAMP technique it can also use for different tests of different kind of virus and bacteria. So we come to our proposal is creating a point-of-care real-time LAMP machine prototype. It integrates with IoT and blockchain. So the objective of this project is to reduce the cost and time for real-time testing while providing real-time and transparent data. So it will be help for more efficient to measure the monitoring and control if we have a new future of outbreak of disease. So this is a structure of proposal which integrate with the system with IoT and blockchain, and then the summary of our project, the project duration about 9 months and estimate cost. Thank you for the attention and please vote for it.
Thank you for your presentation. Now it's time for question and answer. Question?
Yeah.
Any questions?
You have a welcome. Have a question?
I actually have a question.
Yes.
You mentioned real time and blockchain. Please, can you elaborate further what constitute as real time, how many seconds and so forth? Because to my understanding, if you upload a data to blockchain, it still takes time in comparison to using a traditional server. It happens instantly.
Okay. So, you know, like normally, for example, PCR or something, you need to take a sample and send to the center. So it takes normally a day or a few hours. If you have a quick test, you can result like 15 minutes. But the problem with quick test, the sensitivity is quite low. So in this time, you can have a measure and you can send the data after like the measurement time. It takes around 15 minutes, and you can real time you can send the data to the blockchain. That means it could be some delay, but even the measurement it will take some time.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And with this point-of-care, you can avoid a lot of the spread of the disease because you can send it to point-of-care people and you can continually monitor the disease. Yeah. And also the transparent data is more important. You can do also like analysis and mapping of the disease. It will help a lot in our belief. Thank you.
Thank you. Boaz, you have a question?
Yeah, of course, yeah. I would like to know the area of implementation of this project, and if it's your country really is your governance in accord with such a project. Talking about blockchain, I don't know. Yes, that's it. That's my question.
So you know, it's up to now, like the management of disease still at the government level. So we believe in the blockchain, you will have community and the data is transparent. So every people can follow and see how split of the disease. Because we can also analyze and mapping of disease. So it will be better, help us a lot, you know, in terms of how to react better with the disease. So I don't know
That
how much the level of the government you share the data, but in this blockchain, you know, everything data is open for the public. I think.
great. We still have time for questions. Anyone else would like to share their questions?
I have a question for presenter. No.
I think
Is it a new project or is it new one?
it's just really new project, yes. So we have expert in the system. It's a point of care already, but the system it only give result for the yes or no, like positive and negative, but they are not connect to the IoT, internet, or blockchain.
It means that your LAMP system already running or is new?
Yeah, it's already running. We already published so we already test it in the hospital in Denmark and publish our result in the journal. So we have a system already, but it's not connect with IoT and blockchain. Yes, but the system is working and we publish our result already.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
So we have thank you for all your presentation.
Yeah, thank you.
I think we will have a more question, but if you have more question, you can contact presenter to study more about proposal. Now it's time for the next one, like presenter.